Good morning, guys. We're taking the Subi today. Let's hear this cold start. Thing's a beast. It's too bad we're selling it. All right. Hopefully the neighbors aren't looking at me. Go to work. All right, good morning, guys. We're taking the Subaru today. The reason for that is Marcos is actually selling his Subaru because well, it's a Subaru, an STI. That should be a good enough reason, right? Anyway, I'm taking it to where I work so I can wash it up and get it nice and clean for the buyer that's hopefully going to buy it on Saturday, which is tomorrow. But yeah, this may be the last time that you see this car, so figured I'd drive it, you know, at least get you some kind of footage on this. It's the first time I've ever seen a cop on the corner there. I hope you guys can't hear those brakes. I wonder what he did with the access port. There's usually an access port there. Oh, if you guys can't tell, I have a big smile on my face. Hey, I'm gonna miss this car. Every time I get shaky and I get full of adrenaline. Yeah, maybe someday Marcos will make a video on the things he's done to this car, because he knows a lot more. All I know is these cars are a lot of fun and a lot of money. I hope my windows are dark enough, because I look really dumb with this mount on my head. Okay, let's go back to work. Can hear it slapping against the wall behind me. I hope you guys aren't staring at the roof. So I've got to go back home. I forgot to grab some business cards. Promised the guys at the bank that I'd take them some cards. Oh, those brakes are so bad. I don't think my windows are dark enough to hide me from people that are looking at me with this mount on my head. I'm a YouTuber now, so I guess I gotta learn how to get used to it. I hope Marcos isn't watching this video. Yeah, I don't think the neighbors like me. They probably think it's Marcos. We'll just leave this on here, and I'm actually gonna look like a fool. Hopefully nobody's looking at me, which everyone's probably looking at me, because I got this GoPro on my forehead and I just did some drifting. Just don't let anyone see me. Actually, they're all in the van. That should be enough, right? Okay. Hopefully Marcos sells his car before he sees this video. And that's why I don't drive this vehicle. Or at least that's why Marcos doesn't let me drive his vehicle. Okay, I'll start driving it like a normal human being. This is definitely one of the nicest cars I've ever driven. I've driven some pretty nice Lexus cars. I actually got to drive one of those LCs on the racetrack in Colorado. That was pretty cool. But even that didn't give me the adrenaline like this does. So anyone who is thinking about buying an STI, if you could buy 3 of these cash, then you should definitely buy one. But if you're financing one of these, you might need to reevaluate your life decisions. One more. Okay, I'm sorry, Marcos. Please don't watch this. This makes me want to buy a race car. In time, that's the plan. That's hopefully the future, you know, Lord willing. We could get I want one of those Nissan 240s, make a drift car. That's what I really want. This thing's fun and all, but I like going sideways. Yeah, I mean, eventually, especially if this channel's doing really good, I'll absolutely get a 240. Alright guys, back to work. We're gonna wash this car at the end of the day and hopefully sell it tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hello?
Are you still with them?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if you need a ride or something.
No, they're not gonna take it tonight because we still gotta meet with the bank tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sounds good. I'll see you at the house.
Okay, sounds good.
Later.
Bye.
Alright guys, I know I look like a fool now. Like, I don't even have tinted windows. I don't know what I'm doing. Uh-oh. Please don't look. Please don't look. There's Marcos now, selling the car. Okay. I took it off because you just don't see people with GoPros on their forehead driving a van. Oh man, these people are gonna look at me like I'm just I need to get used to it. I'm a YouTuber now. She looked right at me. Okay guys, I'm taking this off. I look like an idiot. If I'm moving, people are less likely to see me. That's how logic works, right? Okay, so those guys, they were talking about picking up the car tomorrow, but they decided to come today. I cleaned up the Subaru, made it nice, did the engine, and they were pretty impressed when I was showing it to them. I mean, Marco showed up with my van to, oh no, I hope this policeman doesn't look at me. Yeah, Marco showed up with the van so he could go on the test drive and, you know, do all the stuff because it's his car. And seems pretty promising. I think we're actually going to sell it. But by the time this video goes up, we'll know for sure if they'll buy it. And if they're not the buyers, you know, someone will. He has it for a really good price compared to, or for what Kelly Blue Book has, he has it set for a good price. So I think it'll sell. But yeah, guys, since I'm in the van here, I guess I could tell you a little bit about, whoa, what are you doing? I guess I could tell you a little bit about what we're doing. This channel is should get more interesting. I'm actually resigning from my job. My last day is on the 30th of April, and it's gonna be very interesting. I've been working since I was 16 years old. I just turned 22 April 5th. So I really don't know what it's like to be, I don't know what it's like to be free, you know? Like, I've always been working. I've always had a routine to go to. So I'm quitting my job to become a full-time YouTuber. My dreams are to be a professional, famous YouTuber, and that's what we're doing. I'm just kidding, guys. I mean, we'll see. I'll be a full-time YouTuber, but I'm also starting this business with my brother. We're gonna be mobile detailing. So we'll, you know, we go out and we're gonna go to people's houses, detail their cars, and hopefully make a living off of that. We'll see. I'll have you guys around so you guys can see the growth in the channel, the growth in the business. And this guy's following me. He probably saw me with the camera. I better put it down, guys. This cop's gonna pull me over.